buy and sell stock. Def max profit prices, take some prices. This is in Ruby. So if you want to, the input that you would get is an array like this, and you basically want to capture the maximum profit. If days are going from left to right, you want to obviously buy low and sell high for that max profit of 5. There's a 4 right there, but and then there's 2, but then this 5 is the max that you want to return at the end. So you're gonna want something called max profit, set it to 0 so that we can keep on updating it once we come across larger profits. And at the end, we're gonna want to return that max profit. We're gonna want to use a sliding window, 2 pointers, the left and the right. And we call it left starting at 0, and the right coming right after it is at 1, so that it's traversing and checking whether the one following the current one is greater than the one before, because that would be a profit. Otherwise it would be a loss if it goes negative. So we're gonna have the right pointer going all the way until it reaches the end. So while right is less than prices.length do, and we want to check if we always want to make sure that the left value is less than the right value, because that would be a profit, otherwise it would be a loss. So we want to check if prices at the position of L is less than prices at the position of R, then we're gonna be checking for a profit then. If it is less than the one at the right, then let's calculate this profit, and then let's check if it's greater than the max profit. Prices at position of right minus prices at position of left. Profit is equal to prices at right minus left. If profit is greater than max profit, then we update max profit. Profit is equal to profit. And then, but if the left price was greater than the right price, then we're out of range, and we want to update the left pointer to be equal to the right, because the right is now the lesser number. And then let's check everything from then on out to check if there are other profits. So that'll reach the end, and if I run the code, all right, forgot to, of course, you have to increment the right pointer to keep the pointer moving along. So that one works. And this one works as well.